The last that ever she saw him, carried away by a moonlight shadow. He passed on worried and warning, carried away by a moonlight shadow. Lost in a river last Saturday night, far away on the other side. He was caught in the middle of a desperate fight, and she couldn't find how to push through.
Let's go! Yeah! For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Listen anyway, he never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard him with that
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a the type women wanna be within rappers. Hope he gets 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note, he writes every line, and I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those other fellas he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do this? It's 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Top Beer, Machine Shop.
Live from Houston, Texas. Yours truly, the mixtape Messiah. I know what time it is. It's grind time, baby. Till we make the riffs is grind time. I need mine. Grind time. I need mine. Grind time. Looking at my watch. Looking at my watch. Looking at my watch. Not hanging around that corner. I'm chasing and trying to fold a whole stack. I stay on my grind when it's hot out or even colder. Yeah, you know the color, denying it if they told you that I am not just a client, man. I am the biggest roller. When it comes to that be like my partner, my I ain't never heard the fat lady sing at the opera. Sitting low in that dropper on top of the mono block. You can't let all the hating stop you. What would you be on the block for? Grinding, that's the reason, yeah, that's the reason you're breathing. If that ain't nowhere around me, then that's the reason I'm leaving. Gotta go get my G's and show 'em it ain't a problem. If you just get off your bottom, then you'll be saying I got 'em. Get it like me, maybe live near the sea. While the people mad that you have it beginning to be such a nuisance, but we are as real as can be. And real recognize real, but you looking different to me. It's grind time. I need my grind time. I need my grind time. Looking at my watch, looking at my watch, looking at my watch. I need my grind time. I need my grind time. Looking at my watch, looking at my watch, looking at my watch. King of the military camp, cheering for the champ. VVS is in my necklace, my appearance like a lamp. Lit up in my ears, they see the king appear. Haters definitely can't stand it, standing near a chandelier. I'ma keep on shining like the Southern players' foes. I'ma keep getting respect, just ask about me round the globe. Down here the music slow, if it's tight we call it roll. Candy paint cover my dough, and them wheels we call them foes. Some onlookers looking like they wishing that they had on. Ballin' if I want it, don't play with it, go and grab on. The old school, a couple tools, candy painters. Get the old school DJ screw and jam it like an anthem. Don't care about who you know, cause I'm the illest rapper rapping. You think someone better, be a good lad and go grab them. For now, I just go get it and sit crooked on my dad.
My life lasts forever. Let me be with you. There's still so much silence that I'm going through. My tears are in heaven, but I must survive. When angels are crying, I'm ending my life. Take the radio melody, sing with me, play the song, oh let it be. That's the radio symphony, set you free. What you get is what you see. Take the radio melody, sing with me, play the song, oh let it be. That's the radio symphony, set you free. What you get is what you see on the radio symphony. My dream lasts forever, so where are you now? I'm searching for nothing, cause love died somehow. No tears left in heaven that help me survive. The angels were crying while I lost my life. Take the radio melody, sing with me, play the song, oh let it be. That's the radio symphony, set you free. What you get is what you see. Take the radio melody, sing with me, play the song, oh let it be. That's the radio symphony, set you free. What you get is what you see on the radio symphony. life lasts forever, let me be with you. There's still so much silence that I'm going through. My tears are in heaven, but I must survive. When angels are crying, I'm ending my life. Take the radio melody, sing with me, play the song, oh let it be. That's the radio symphony, set you free. What you get is what you see. Take the radio melody, sing with me, play the song, oh let it be. That's the radio symphony, set you free. What you get is what you see on the radio symphony. My dream lasts forever.